Hello, thank you for joining me again. Last time we were talking about the homeowner's exemption. By way of reminder, you must file for your homeowner's exemption for 2015 by April 14th. Now if you've had it in the past, it's okay in the future, you don't have to do anything. But if you just purchased your home over the past year, you want to make sure that you have that exemption in place. You can call the Bonneville County Treasurer's Office or the Assessor's Office to make sure. Now, how is this exemption calculated? It's an indexed figure. During 2015, the exemption is basically $89,000, which means that half the value of your home up to a maximum of $89,000 will be exempted from being taxed. It's not a reduction in the tax rate, it's an exemption of the portion of the value of your home from being taxed. Now, people think that in the higher-ended subdivisions, the South Points and areas like that, the tax rates are actually higher. Really, they're not. They are marginally, but not very much, just by hundreds of thousands of a percentage. In calculating the exemption, if you had a $200,000 home, from that, you would exempt $89,000 for the exemption, leaving you with a taxable value of $111,000. Now, in the city of Idaho Falls, the tax rate is about 1.8% of the taxable value. If you have a non-owner occupied property, in other words, you have a rental property, you do not get that exemption because your home is not owner occupied. Your taxable value is $200,000. So in this example, you would take $111,000 by roughly 1.8%, and that would be your taxes if you were in the city of Idaho Falls. If you had a rental property with an assessed value of $200,000, you'd be $200,000 times that 1.8%. So you can see the difference. Now if you're in Ammon, the tax rate's about 1.35% in Ammon and out in the county areas, so it is significantly lower. On the other hand, utilities are much lower in the city of Idaho Falls versus the county areas, which tends the bucket of value to balance out up to about $275,000 worth of value. So anyway, this is the way the exemption is calculated. If you have any questions on this topic, I would love to help you, or of course you can check with the Assessor's Office or Treasurer's Office. For now, I'll say goodbye. Thank you for joining me. Take care.